Dhiedas makes the eSmart Lock smartphone Bluetooth app driven. You have 2 e-cards, 2 manual keys, the lock, and the USB-C compliance cable. The instruction guide on how to set up. Download the eSmart Lock application, open it, press any of the buttons on the lock to light up your lock. Once the lock is lit, hit on the lock information and it opens up. We have here's all the information on the lock. We have the card. We put a name, put it next to the lock, and it opens. We're going to set up a card and show you how easy it is to do. Open card management. Please put in your password. You have up to 100 cards to put in. Hit the plus, put a name, add to, the card onto the lock, completed. Put the lock onto where you need to lock and you're ready to go. After a number of seconds, the keypad will unlight. Simply take the card, place it onto the lock, and it opens. Close up the lock is simply press and close for the next time. The lock is IP rated. Silicone doors closing the USB-C charging port and the manual key override that fits in, that opens the lock. Close up the lock to keep sealed. The information provided on the application shows you the amount of power left on the lock. We're going to put the lock outside and show you how easy it is to open and close. We're placing the lock over here and locking. The lights are off. In order to turn the lock on, press one of the buttons. Hit the code. And lock. If the lock does not open, repeat. Unlock. For demonstration purposes, the lock is IP rated, locks, and unlocks. It is IP rated. Weather resistant, IP rated all year round. Wake the lock up and press in your code. I hope you enjoy your lock from Dhiedas with 2 TF cards, up to 100 cards, manual keys, and locking system on the lock for your locking needs. Indoor, outdoor, by the patio, by the garage, locking padlocks up, and more. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.